You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these grape variety and wine style from Burgundy. If you want to learn more from wine and wine pronunciations, you found the right channel. Stay tuned, I've got more for you. Aligoté is the French pronunciation here. Generally, it's known as Bourgogne, Aligoté, Bourgogne being French for Burgundy. Aligoté is how we say it in France. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can simply say Aligoté, Aligoté, Bourgogne, Aligoté, appellation, wine appellation in France. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.